this is a question based on dielectric boundary conditions. The xz plane is a boundary between two dielectrics. The region y less than 0 contains a dielectric material with epsilon r1 is equal to 2.5, while the region y greater than 0 has dielectric with epsilon r2 is equal to 4. If E is equal to minus 30 AX plus 5 AY plus 70 AZ volt per meter, find normal and tangential component of electric field on both sides of the boundary. So this question is given in set 2, April, May 2017, 8 marks. So this is based on boundary conditions problem, dielectric boundary conditions. In fact, so let us represent all this data in a diagram. For example, say this is the boundary between two mediums. So this is the boundary between two mediums, let us say. So what it is given? It is given that y is equal to 0 is the boundary. Y is equal to 0 is the boundary. Say for example, say this is y is less than 0 medium. So with the dielectric constant, what is dielectric constant in this medium is given as epsilon r1 is equal to 2.5. This medium, the below medium is say y greater than 0 with epsilon r2 is equal to 4.0. So what it is given, because y is equal to 0 is the boundary between the two mediums, the unit vector normal to this boundary is always ay. The boundary unit vector, so this is the unit vector normal to the boundary. Very, very important in this problem. First you have to identify the boundary and find out the normal vector to the, if it is x is equal to 0 boundary, ax is the normal vector. If it is z is equal to 0 boundary, az is the normal vector to the boundary. So now what it is given? It is given that very simple problem. It is given that what is E? E is given as minus 30 ax plus 5 ay plus 70 az volt per meter. So you can clearly check here that y is positive, y is equal to plus 5. So therefore y is greater than 0. So therefore this electric field comes in this medium 2. So therefore we can write it as E2. Therefore E2, what E2 we have to take, that is electric field in this medium. Why? Because this is y is equal to greater than 0 medium. This factor 5, y is equal to 5 greater than 0. So therefore this electric field we have to take in this medium. So therefore minus 30 ax plus 5 ay plus 70 az we have to take in this medium. Now we can clearly see that, so this can be written like this. This is the normal component. So or further you can simplify this equation, minus 30 ax plus 70 az, write one side and separate this term 5 ay. So because ay is the unit vector normal to this boundary, so therefore this component is normal component, so that is written as E2n. So this component is tangential component to the boundary. First we have to separate like this. So what is the normal component? Because ay is the unit vector normal to this, so 5 ay is the normal component, the remaining component is a tangential component. So therefore E2t, the tangential component to the boundary is, first we have to separate like this from the given question, 70 az, and the normal component to the boundary is 5 ay. From continuity of tangential components, from the boundary condition, from boundary conditions, in fact, from dielectric boundary conditions, very, very important boundary conditions, 4 boundary conditions, E1t is equal to E2t. So that means the tangential component here, say what is this tangential component? E2t. The tangential component in this medium is also same. From what is the boundary condition? The tangential component in this medium and the tangential component in this medium are same. What is the tangential component in this medium? Minus 30 ax plus 70 az. So therefore the tangential component E1t in this also medium is minus 30 ax plus 70 az. This is the first factor. So this is the first boundary condition, very, very important boundary condition. The tangential components are same across the boundary. From this we have find out what is E1t. Now the other boundary condition is the normal components of the second boundary condition is the second boundary condition is normal components of flux density are same across the boundary. So that is d1n is equal to d2n. So that is, for example, if it is the component in this medium is say normal component is say d2n, the normal component in this medium is also same, d1n is also same. By using this boundary condition, what we want to find out? We want to find out E1n. So therefore this is written as epsilon 1 into E1n. So this is written as epsilon 2 into E2n. What we want to find out? We want to find out normal component in the medium 1. E1n is equal to epsilon 2 by epsilon 1 into E2n. So this is written as epsilon naught into epsilon R2 by epsilon naught into epsilon R1 into E2n. So epsilon naught gets cancels out, from which so E1n component is written as, what is epsilon R2? Epsilon R2 is given as 4. What is epsilon R1? Epsilon R1 is given as 2.5 into E2n. What is E2n component? 5 AY. From this you can clearly check that E1n is equal to 8 AY volt per meter. So this is clearly check that this is E1t answer. So this is E1n answer. So this is E2t and E2n answer. So this is the normal component, tangential components in medium 2. This is the normal component and the tangential component in medium 1. So therefore finally we write this answer E1 in fact can be written as E1t plus E1n. From this what we can write? We can write it as E1t minus 30ax plus E1n is 8ay plus 70az volt per meter. So this is the E1 in this medium. So this is the answer what you have to write in the examination to get 8 marks in the examination. Very important problem. Thank you.